Hey YouTube, so today I'm going to be showing you my barracks room. Just an overview of what it looks like, things that I have, the things that are provided to you, and stuff like that. So let's get started. Okay, so when you first walk in, this is what you see. Everything's open. Alright, so let me close the door. Alright, so the first thing to my left is my closet. This is what it looks like. I have the closet closed, so that's why I have a lock over it. So when you open it, there's a mirror right here. And of course you got my clothes and a lot of stuff. And shoes. And I have like one red heel right there. Anyway, drunken night. It looks kind of messy, but I promise you it's not. It's because I have a lot of things. Everything's basically in their place. It's just that I have a lot of stuff. But anyway, so that's my closet. Okay, so to my right you have the bathroom. So it's a little door. You know, I put a mirror right there. This did not come with a mirror. I just decided that I wanted it right there because I don't really have space around my room like that. Alright, so this is the overview of the whole bathroom. Okay, I'll go in. I basically decorated it just how it is. When it came, it was pretty plain. So, I put, of course, my own shower curtain. I brought this little holder thing so that way I could put my stuff on there because they're all, stuff that should be in the bathroom, of course. I try to make it cute, decorate as much as I can, buying these little stuff. Right here are my towels, toilet paper, and then this is the shower. This is how big the shower is. It is not that big. So, it's pretty small. You just have to get in and get out. We try to make it as roomy as possible, try to decorate and stuff like that, but it kind of works. Oh, if y'all didn't know, I do share this room with somebody else. So, okay, so from the bathroom, this is what you see. And then right here, oh, there I am. So this is how small the sink is. So you get two little door cabinets. So this is my roommate's and this is mine. And of course I have a lot of stuff in there. Actually everything on here is mine. But yeah, this is how small it is. Some rooms come with this blow dryer and some rooms don't. So I would say to always have your blow dryer. And if you don't, I don't know, you should probably buy one. Let me put this down. Okay, so this right here is my roommate's closet. That's basically what it looks like, just like mine. And then when you walk all the way over here, this is the whole overview of the room. Yes. Okay, so this one is my bed and this one is my roommate's bed. So I try to do a little decorating. It is not Christmas anymore, but when I did do this, it was around Christmas time, and I still haven't taken down the decorations and stuff like that, which I will. I just have to find another type of room decor that I like, and I don't know how long that's gonna take. I know this is kind of conceited a little bit. I will change that soon. I promise. I try to decorate a little bit on my side. I brought these. Where did I buy them? I brought these decorations at Marshall's or Ross, one of them. But yeah, okay, so from this side, when you're looking at it, my bed does not look that big at all, and it's really not. And with the bed, you have these 4 drawers right here, and you could put a good amount of clothes in them. But if you're one of those people who has a lot of clothes, they're probably not gonna fit in only these 4 drawers. But when you do get the room, you do get one bed, you do get a nightstand and a desk. So, you know, that should be enough. And your closet, mine's right there. And so this is how small the nightstand is. I try to decorate as much as I could. I obviously read a lot of books, and yeah. And then right here is my roommate's desk, which I'm not gonna really touch, but as you can see, you have like 3 little drawers and then one small one. You can do whatever you want to do with it, or decorate the top however you like. This is how she does hers. She likes clams for some reason. And this is her bed. This is, oh, the light shuts off all the time. I hate this light. This is the 2 little decorations that she has. She's not really big into decorations. All right, so right here, that's my little pillow. Sorry, that's my laundry I need to do. Right here, you get this also, but you're supposed to share it with your roommate. I didn't feel like I needed it, so I did not share it with my roommate. I just gave it to her because she had a lot more stuff than I did. So, but with that, there's 3 drawers, and you got these compartments right here that you could use to put, like, as you could see, laundry stuff, food, and all that beauty related stuff. And those are my flowers. They died and I need to throw them away. But anyway, this is her side. As you could see, those are my plants right here. Well, my plant. I just got into plants, indoor plants lately. Oh, and this curtain right there, we are not allowed to change it, and I don't know why, and it is so ugly. We're not allowed to change it, and I'm like, you know what, whatever, I'm not even gonna pay attention to it. Anyway, so from her side, this is my desk, and I'm sorry that it's a little messy. I was doing my makeup, and I just got back from biology, and also I was watching The Real on YouTube because they're so great. This is what I have on top of my desk. They're just easy grabbable things that I want, and yes, that does say Big Quick. It is my favorite protein in the whole wide world. I love it. But yeah, you do get a lamp also. I do not use my lamp because I think it's ugly and it's big and I hate it. And also with the room comes a microwave and a fridge. My fridge happens to be big, but with a lot of people's rooms, their fridge are not that big. But I'll show you what's in there and how it looks, what it looks like. So this right here is the little freezer, and then this is what the whole fridge looks like. I don't have a lot of stuff in there, but it looks like I do. I try to cook as much as I can because it sucks to not have a kitchen, so I try to make as much hand foods as I'm able to. But yeah, so this is basically everything you get from the Navy, being in the barracks room, and that's it. This is the whole overview of the room again. And that's it. That is it. I just want to mention that if you are married or if you have kids, you're not necessarily going to be in a barracks room. You can leave out of town. You know, if you have kids or if you have a husband or whatever it is, you do not always get to live in a barracks room unless you want to. And I couldn't think of a reason why anybody would want to live in a barracks room. So yeah, and that was it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.